Hello, hello, welcome back. On to another day of our advent calendar, and we are on day 20. It's this one here. Let's see what we've got. So we have, right, I remember we've got stickers today. So in here is a real variety of, okay, so we've got, I might bring us closer before we look at those so you can see them in a bit more detail. All right, so we've got these flowers, which I realise are not all wintry, but I just thought they were really pretty. Look at that one, isn't that lovely? And I don't know, couldn't resist them anyway. Some of them are more wintry, so the flower ones, I guess, aren't so much. But they're really pretty. And then we have these ones which are a little bit more, so make that out. There's a leaf, sort of more dry leaves and old, okay, pine cone there, ferns. So there's a few that are a little bit more wintry than others. But let's see, we're on to this page. So we've got quite a thin little page to work with, and you know, I might just go with flowers even though it's not particularly wintry, you know. Oh, I don't know now because the leaves are quite cool as well. Tempting to use those, but also those. Oh, I like that combination. We'll do a little bit of both. We'll do a bit of both. Okay, I'm going with these ones like this. That looks quite nice already. Okay, let's crack on and see what we can do today. I'm going to put a piece of scrap paper, if I can find one, just behind this page. I might have to put it behind both pages actually. Hang on. Because I don't want to mess up what's there. Okay. All right. So what I want is a cool background to work on top of. That's kind of, let me see. Decisions. If in doubt, start with gesso. And whilst that's wet, I might just grab a pencil and do some quick little journaling onto that. Let me think. So that was just a little bit about the upcoming Christmas day, hoping everyone's in good health, because my mother-in-law has not been too well in the last few weeks, so hoping that she's well enough for Christmas Day. So I might do a little dedication to them for this page, and I think that the flowers kind of suit that nicely. I'm just going to give this a quick dry. What I've pulled out are these magical mica powders, but they are pearlescent-y ones. So I'm going to, it's just a little silicone brush, just scatter some of those on, the powders on. Don't use these very often and I kind of forget about them, but they actually can be really nice. So that one's in Whale Watch Blue, and this one's Salt Water Taffy, which I just thought were going to be nice kind of wintry colours. So just scattering the powder on. I always have to remember to put the lids on before I spray with the water, or I'll completely ruin them. So yes, get my water spritz and activate those and see what happens. Oh, we're a little bit wet, hang on. Let's just get a cloth. I don't want it to ruin pages that are underneath or come before, so just get in the bit in the middle. There is a sort of shine to them, this sort of pearlescent colours. Let's give it a dry. I might need to put a little bit more on. It's very subtle. I'm going to put a little bit more of the pink in. Where's my water spray gone? Aha. Okay. I have pulled out some of my rose-coloured ink as well. This actually is scented, this ink's actually scented as a rose as well, which is nice. Okay. Ooh, maybe we should drop in a little bit of cranberry. That's very festive. Oh. Okay. Making sure I'm drying in between because I am making the page very wet today. So each layer I'm drying. Let's give it a dry now. I do apologise. I thought my camera was recording and it wasn't. So I'll just explain what I did. So I put some marks in with my silicone brush on the gesso, give the whole thing a dry, and then I stuck my stickers down. And I just I sort of like to do that, and then just give them a rub down with the handle of my scissors to make sure that they're properly stuck. And then I just got some gesso and painted around the flowers here a little to make them stand out a little bit more. And I decided not to put any words with this one. I don't think it needed it. It's my little dedication to my mother-in-law. The words are there underneath, so I know what it's about. So I'm really sorry that you didn't get to see me finish off, but really I suppose the only thing I really did was give it a dry and add my stickers down. So yeah, I hope that's okay. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Bye.